Welcome to our channel, Elevate English. Today, we are going on a magical journey. We are going to a city that never sleeps. We are going to New York City. But this is not just any day in New York. This is Christmas in New York. The city transforms into a winter wonderland. The streets are filled with lights. The air is cold and crisp. The people are filled with joy. It is a magical time. It is a beautiful time. It is a time of wonder and excitement. Imagine you are walking through the streets of New York during Christmas. The buildings are decorated with colorful lights. The windows are filled with beautiful displays. The stores are playing Christmas music. You can hear the sound of carolers singing. You can smell the aroma of roasted chestnuts. You can taste the sweetness of hot chocolate. It is a sensory experience. It is a feast for the senses. It is a beautiful experience. Let us explore Christmas in New York together. We will visit famous places. We will see beautiful decorations. We will experience the magic of the holiday season. We will fall in love with New York at Christmas. Our journey starts on a cold December morning. The sun is just rising. The sky is clear. The air is cold. The streets are quiet. It is the perfect time to start our adventure. We are staying in a small hotel in Midtown Manhattan. The hotel is warm and cozy. The hotel is close to all the famous sights. We get ready for the day. We put on warm clothes. We put on our hats and gloves. We put on our scarves and boots. We take our camera. We are ready to explore. We are ready to experience the magic of Christmas in New York. First, we walk to Rockefeller Center. Rockefeller Center is one of the most famous places in New York. It is especially beautiful during Christmas. There is a large Christmas tree. It is the most famous Christmas tree in the world. It is huge. It is covered in thousands of lights. The lights are bright. The lights are colorful. The lights are magical. We stand in front of the tree. We look up. The tree is tall and beautiful. It reaches high into the sky. We take many pictures. We want to remember this moment forever. We also see the famous ice skating rink. People are skating on the ice. They are laughing. They are holding hands. They are having fun. They are creating happy memories. We decide to skate on the rink. We rent some skates. We step onto the ice. We hold onto the rail. We move slowly at first. Then, we get more confident. We skate around the rink. We feel the cold air on our faces. We hear the Christmas music playing. We see the beautiful tree. It is a magical experience. It is a moment we will never forget. After skating, we walk to Fifth Avenue. Fifth Avenue is one of the most famous streets in New York. It is full of beautiful stores. The stores are decorated for Christmas. The windows are filled with amazing displays. The displays are like works of art. They are creative. They are colorful. They are wonderful. We walk slowly. We look at every window. We see a display with animated characters. They are moving. They are dancing. They are telling a story. We see a display with beautiful lights. They are twinkling. They are sparkling. They are magical. We see a display with a Christmas village. It has tiny houses. It has tiny trees. It has tiny people. It is perfect. We also see the famous department stores. We see Macy's. We see Bloomingdale's. We see Saks Fifth Avenue. Each store has its own unique display. Each store has its own special charm. We enjoy looking at all of them. We walk to the Flatiron Building. The Flatiron Building is a famous building in New York. It has a unique shape. It looks like an iron. It is very beautiful. It is decorated with Christmas lights. The lights are green. The lights are red. The lights are gold. It is a wonderful sight. We continue walking. We walk to Bryant Park. Bryant Park is a beautiful park in Midtown. It is transformed during Christmas. There is a Christmas market. There are small wooden stalls. The stalls sell gifts, ornaments, and food. The market is full of people. Everyone is happy. Everyone is excited. Everyone is in the Christmas spirit. We walk through the market. We look at the gifts. We look at the ornaments. We look at the handmade crafts. We buy some souvenirs. We buy a beautiful ornament for our tree. We buy a warm scarf. We buy some delicious treats. We stop at a food stall. We smell the aroma of roasted chestnuts. We order some. They are hot. They are sweet. They are delicious. We also order some hot chocolate. The hot chocolate is warm and creamy. It is topped with whipped cream. It is the perfect drink for a cold day. We sip our hot chocolate. We watch the people. We enjoy the atmosphere. We also see an ice skating rink at Bryant Park. It is larger than the one at Rockefeller Center. There is a beautiful fountain in the center. The fountain is frozen. It looks like a sculpture. People are skating around it. It is a beautiful sight. It is a magical sight. After exploring Bryant Park, we walk to Times Square. Times Square is one of the most famous places in New York. It is full of lights. It is full of energy. It is full of excitement. During Christmas, it is even more special. The lights are brighter. The atmosphere is more festive. We stand in the middle of Times Square. We look up. We see the giant screens. We see the colorful billboards. We see the Christmas decorations. Everything is beautiful. Everything is exciting. Everything is magical. We take many pictures. We want to remember this moment. We see people dressed as Santa Claus. We see people dressed as elves. We see people singing Christmas carols. We feel the joy. We feel the excitement. We feel the magic. It is a wonderful place to be. We continue walking. We walk to Radio City Music Hall. Radio City Music Hall is a famous theater. It is home to the Radio City Rockets. They are a famous dance company. They perform a Christmas show every year. It is called the Christmas Spectacular. It is a wonderful show. We buy tickets. We enter the theater. The theater is beautiful. It is decorated with Christmas decorations. The lights are dim. The music is playing. We find our seats. We wait for the show to begin. The show begins. The Rockets come on stage. They are wearing beautiful costumes. They are dancing in perfect unison. They are high-kicking. They are smiling. They are spreading Christmas cheer. The show is amazing. It is full of music. It is full of dance. It is full of joy. We watch the show. We are captivated. We are entertained. We are filled with Christmas spirit. After the show, we walk to St. Patrick's Cathedral. St. Patrick's Cathedral is a beautiful church. It is one of the most famous churches in New York. During Christmas, it is decorated with beautiful lights. There is a large Christmas tree outside. There is a nativity scene. It is a peaceful place. It is a spiritual place. It is a place of reflection. We enter the cathedral. It is quiet. It is calm. It is beautiful. The stained glass windows are lit up. The candles are glowing. The Christmas music is playing softly. We sit in a pew. We close our eyes. We take a moment to reflect. We think about the meaning of Christmas. We think about love. We think about peace. We think about joy. It is a beautiful moment. We leave the cathedral. We walk to the New York Public Library. The library is a beautiful building. It is decorated with Christmas lights. There is a large Christmas tree outside. There are wreaths on the doors. It is a peaceful place. It is a quiet place. We walk inside. The building is beautiful. There are marble floors. There are high ceilings. There are large windows. There is a beautiful Christmas tree in the lobby. It is decorated with gold ornaments. It is a beautiful sight. We take a moment to appreciate the beauty. We continue walking. We walk to Central Park. Central Park is a beautiful park. It is especially beautiful during Christmas. The trees are covered with snow. The paths are covered with ice. The air is crisp. The atmosphere is peaceful. It is a winter wonderland. We walk through the park. We see people walking their dogs. We see people jogging. We see people playing in the snow. We see children building snowmen. We see families sledding. Everyone is happy. Everyone is enjoying the winter weather. We walk to the Woolman Rink. It is an ice skating rink in Central Park. It is a beautiful rink. It is surrounded by trees. It is a magical place. We watch people skating. They are laughing. They are holding hands. They are having fun. It is a beautiful sight. We also see horse-drawn carriages. They are taking people on rides through the park. The horses are wearing bells. The bells are jingling. It is a magical sound. It is a magical experience. We decide to take a carriage ride. We sit in the carriage. We wrap ourselves in blankets. We ride through the park. We watch the snow-covered trees. We listen to the jingling bells. It is a perfect moment. After the carriage ride, we walk to the Rockefeller Center again. The sun has set. The city lights are shining. The Christmas tree is glowing. It is even more beautiful at night. We stand in front of the tree. We watch the lights twinkle. We listen to the Christmas music. We feel the magic of the season. We walk to the top of the rock. The top of the rock is the observation deck at Rockefeller Center. It has a beautiful view of the city. We take the elevator to the top. The elevator is fast. It takes us up. We reach the observation deck. The view is amazing. We can see the whole city. We can see the Empire State Building. We can see the Chrysler Building. We can see the Statue of Liberty in the distance. The city lights are shining. The city is beautiful. We stay at the top for a long time. We enjoy the view. We take many pictures. We want to remember this moment forever. It is a magical moment. It is a beautiful moment. Our day in New York is coming to an end. We have seen so many things. We have experienced so many things. We have felt so many emotions. We have witnessed the magic of Christmas in New York. We have felt the joy. We have felt the love. We have felt the peace. New York is a city that you must visit during Christmas. It is a city of lights. It is a city of joy. It is a city of magic. If you have the chance, go to New York during Christmas. Walk its streets. See its lights. Feel its magic. You will not regret it. You will fall in love with it. You will want to come back again and again. Christmas in New York is a winter wonderland. It is a taste of magic. It is a taste of joy. It is a taste of love. It is something you will never forget. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope you enjoyed this virtual trip to New York. We hope you learned some new words. We hope you felt the magic of the season. We hope you felt the beauty of the city. We hope you felt the warmth of the people. New York is waiting for you. The City of Lights is calling. When will you answer? Thank you for listening to World Explorer on our channel, Elevate English. We will explore more cities in future episodes. We will travel around the world together. We will discover new places. We will learn new things. We will have new adventures. We will make new memories. We will share them with you. Together, we will explore the world. We hope you will join us. We hope you will come with us. We hope you will learn with us. We hope you will grow with us. The world is big. The world is beautiful. The world is full of wonder. Let us go and explore it. Let us go and discover it. Let us go and love it. See you in the next adventure. Goodbye and good luck. And remember, the world is full of magic. Go out and find it.